All right, what's up, fam? We are now on day 2 of the LA Auto Show prep. Right now we're headed to the show. We are towing the 63 Caddy from Nico out to the show, stopping by Big C's house to pick up his EQS. Got to pick up the Chevy 2500 from Bros Automotive Detailing. And then the homie Alex is going to be delivering his Camaro to the show to help lighten the load. Hopefully by today we should have about 7 to 8 cars loaded, but obviously we'll see what happens with that. That's all just what's going down right now at the LA Convention Center, or on the way to the Convention Center. We still got the crew over there banging shit out right now on all the projects, finishing up the OBS chassis, the 96 Impala, the 91 IROC, putting the final touches on Samson's SRT Challenger. So 4 cars there that need to go. We still got to get to Money Mo's house to pick up 4 of his cars, which hopefully we're going to be able to do today, but it's just too much with the short time frame. We're already like 2 hours behind from leaving, just how it normally rolls, you know? So stay tuned. Let's see how everything pans out. All right. All right, so we are now at the booth for the second day of load-in. We actually got some of the vehicles here today. Ran into a few issues as far as coordinating my client's time, one of my main client's time, to be able to get 4 of his cars for the booth. Time didn't line up today. So right now I gotta try to figure out where I'm gonna lay everything out in this booth without the cars here. That's the hardest part, because the booth looks fucking huge with nothing in it, and as soon as you start parking cars in here, it slowly starts to fucking get smaller and smaller. So right now, I'm gonna leave this in Josh's hands, your hand right there, to figure out the layout based off of color, fucking type, and size mainly. So while we're here doing this, all right, the crew's at the shop fucking banging shit out right now. Fucking Eric. Banging shit out right now. They made some good progress yesterday on the OBS frame, made progress on the IROC, waiting for fucking Ford Giotto to finish the wheels for my Impala. They wrapped up the Challenger, so at least one's down, we gotta bring it over. But hectic, it's showtime though, this is what I love. I love this shit. All right, if y'all didn't know, I'm a phenomenal artist, so you about to see, they call me Black Nasso. All right, so our booth entrance is right there. And South Hall entrance to Kentia Hall. All right, so we're gonna do a layout like this. All right, this is how I'm thinking. We're gonna have one there, one cock like that, one cock like that. So I cut it in half. That should be about where the flooring ends. All right, 1, 2, 3. Should be able to fit 1, 2, 3 more. Should be able to fit one more, one more. One more. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 more cars. All right. So 7 right there, showcased on the black and red flooring. The rest, like off-road shit and some other stuff that will kind of blend in here, will be on the outside. So Josh, you can kind of figure out the car. We got 14 cars. Normally, last time we had 6. 6 laid out to where you could walk around them. I think years prior we had like 8, but it was too fucking condensed. So now we got 14. So let's say our original booth was 1,800 square feet. We now have 6,500 square feet. So 6,500 square feet to accommodate 14 cars should put a nice little layout to where you can come and hit every car without it being like, you know, fucking overshadowed by the other vehicles. So we'll see. My mind's fucking is racing right now. back to an update. We got almost half of the booth set up with cars right now. We got the V, EQS, the Camaro, the Razor, Silverado, and then the LAC. Right now the crew is at the shop grinding. We're gonna be on the way to Money Mo's spot right now to pick up 4 more of the whips. Got to give a shout out to SA Towing for helping us get some of the fleet down here. And then shout out to all the clients. Big homie Vlad, Big C, Alex, Dirt Direct, Raul, Sexual Chocolate, AKA Peter, and Nico. And then obviously shout out to all the homies that helped set up. Poncho, Blake, Alex, young Joshua behind the camera. You gotta turn the camera on one day, man. All right. And the crew back at the shop that are still holding it down, getting these builds done. All right, so right now, I think that's it, all right? Yeah, we just push out and let's go to the next spot. Rev it.
Limo?
Yeah.
I've driven it before. I fired my driver today.
Wait, but it's got an exhaust on it, right?
He's saying rev it, don't worry.
What do you guys do?
We customize cars. We can work on your limo too.
Dude, I've literally never driven this before. I just picked it up in the paint shop. You actually do custom cars?
Yeah.
I got a custom Cadillac and 54 fucking Vanderhalls.
Okay.
Vanderhalls on it. You got a card?
Here, hold up. Hold up.
Yeah, 1 sec.
Oh no,
jeez.
I'm Jason Mara. Mara family. You know the New York Giants? Now Mara family. M-A-R-A.
Okay.
What's up? You know the New York Giants.
Take down my fucking number.
On here?
Nah.
Jeez.
Oh, we ain't moving anywhere.
All right, so we are now in the vehicle. We're supposed to go pick up Mo's fleet, but the LA Auto Show informed us that they will close down the dock gates at 6, so we will not make it today. And it'll be a long day tomorrow. Today is Tuesday or Wednesday? What's today? Tuesday. Oh, so we still got 2 more days. So hopefully by Wednesday we'll be able to lock it out. Right now we're headed to Alex's pizza spot for a nice slice. AKA check out Mr. Pizza. Where's it at? Victory on Kester. All right. They got the best pizza. We on the way. All right. Stuck in this 110 traffic doing a whole 5 miles an hour, but we actually just met a nice client in a limo with a cut-off exhaust on the freeway. You know, had to hop out in traffic to exchange information. What did he say? He owned the New York Giants. So hopefully we can lock that down till tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Day 2 load-in, all right? Excuse the mess. I look like I'm in the same clothes, but it is a different outfit, all right? Always SS. All right, day 1 went successful, still behind. Day 2, we were able to bang out the OBS frame. Crew got that finished. On Point Detailing got the SRT Challenger finish, which is now behind me on the trailer getting towed. We were hoping to get all 4 cars from Money Mo yesterday, but load-in times changed from last year, so they cut down the time from at least 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, so we weren't able to pick that up. So right now I got 80J towing, picking up the OBS frame from the shop. SA towing, meeting me at Money Mo's spot with Poncho. Poncho's towing, aka Limitless Towing, meeting us there as well. We're gonna try to make one trip of his 4 cars to the show today. So, and then we still got the 96 and the 91 at the shop with the final adjustments being made by the crew. So it's now, I don't even know, 12 p.m. We have till 6 p.m. to get all these cars here today. So wish us luck. All right, stay tuned.